So in Limesurvey we have created a new questionnaire. So now we have copied the previous questionnaire and we want to make changes to the questions. So we have to select structure from the menu, and we have here free blocks or free question groups. So let's select the appropriate question groups. I will take tasks, and let's take the second question in tasks. Let's click on that question. So the question reads, do you frequently use the following tools? And it is a type of the question is array. So let's click edit, and we can see the question options here. So since this is 1 year old question, some of these options are incorrect. So let's change, for example, Bing Chat Copilot to Microsoft Copilot. Then Google Gemini, nobody knows the name Bard anymore. And of course we want to add additional question or sub question into this question, sub question or an option. Let's quick add and input the Anthropic Claude, which is sort of new kid in the block. Add, and we have the Anthropic Claude, and say we want to elevate the position of Anthropic Claude, as this is one of the major players now. So let's bring it right here at the 3rd place. So now we click save, and we have the question edited and saved. We need to change the sub question for each language. So this was English. Now let's select the other language if we have these. So since the titles for these chatbots are the same for both languages, let's just make the same additions and click save again. So say we want to preview the question. How did it work out? So in the upper middle section there is a button preview question. Let's select the language we want to preview displayed, and now we see how the respondent would see this question. The question is for the array type of question. We have the question here at the top. Do you frequently use the following tools? And then we have the options or the sub questions, and we can see that Anthropic Claude is right here, and Microsoft Copilot as we edited it, and maybe we even would want to delete some of these. That's up to us to decide. Say we want to add a sub question, so let's do this again. So we select the question from the left menu. Do you frequently use the following tools? Then we select edit. Then we scroll down, and let's say we want to add 2 options, 2 questions, sub questions. So instead of using add question button, we just click quick add. This means that each row is a separate sub question. So let's enter 2 more options. Google Colab for running the code. Let's put slash Jupyter notebook, or let's rather put or. Let's try to put slash Google Colab, Jupyter, notebook, etc. And the second option, for example, Visual Studio Code, which is a desktop program for running code. Let's click Add. Now we have two more options at the end of this main question. So let's check how it looks in another language. In Estonian language, we see that it has added these as like in English. Okay. Let's click Save again, and let's preview the question. And now we can see the full question displayed as the respondent would see it.